he's still deep, like 30, 40 feet.
Okay. I'm gonna keep us turning and keep him in center field. You tell me when to come out.
Let's go.
Okay, Doug, it's a small one. I still got the weight. I didn't lose the weight yet. That's why it feels heavy.
Yep. Keep coming back, keep coming back.
Perfect griller.
Well, that's a decent one.
I don't know why it's not releasing the weight. I
I
might lose it.
occasionally.
You ain't gonna lose it.
Now.
He's coming back. He's here, Doug.
Fish is here, fish is here.
He's right under the boat. Right there. All right, go help Doug.